friend of me is Xiaomi 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose apps section over here and click on app lock. Then choose turn on and create your pattern. Now you need to repeat it and choose next at the bottom right corner. If you wish to sign in and add your account, you can do that by tapping on the green button. I don't want to, so I will click on not now, wait 5 seconds and tap on not now in the pop-up. Then, if you wish to lock all of those apps, just click on use app lock right away. I don't, so I have to click on all of them. Wait for 0 to show up and choose use app lock then. Now you need to turn on face fingerprint unlock to verify yourself, or go with cancel at the bottom right corner. Now click on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock. I would go with YouTube. Then click on the back button, and now when I try to access YouTube, so sorry, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!